Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture icon where I'm tapping. You can see tap on your profile picture icon. You can see at the bottom right corner, tap on it, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen where I'm tapping. Tap on the settings or the gear icon, and you can see the general settings, which is at the top of the screen. Tap on the general, and where you can see again the first option is the appearance. Tap on appearance. Now you can see the dark option or the dark theme option available for us. In order to turn on the dark mode on YouTube, tap on dark theme, and dark mode will be available or enabled on your YouTube app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.